In this video, we are going to show you the best luxury makeup products that are worth the splurge in the marketplace. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We have given enough time in research to select these products. If you are looking for the best luxury makeup products that are worth the splurge, this video is for you. Stay with the video to last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the video description for links to find out the price of the item. Let's get started. Number 137 Actives High Performance Anti-Aging Treatment Foundation. Stave off visible signs of aging and conceal existing imperfections with this multi-function anti-aging foundation from 37 Actives. The foundation's innovative formula is infused with more than 30 anti-aging ingredients that absorb into your skin to prevent the future development of fine lines and wrinkles. In the here and now, the foundation also offers quality coverage that leaves your skin soft and smooth with a luminous, youthful glow. Check video description to get more details. Number 2, Grande Cosmetics Glamour Eyes Purse. This Grande Cosmetics set leaves you with short and long-term benefits for your lashes. The 4-piece kit includes the Grande Lash MD formula, which permanently lengthens and also thickens your lashes with continued use. For immediate results, it also features mascara, liner, and primer to create an illusion of fuller, longer, darker lashes that look completely natural. Check video description to get more details. Number 3, Grande Cosmetics Browtastic Beauty Box. Your brows are one of the most defining features of your face and an automatic focal point of your makeup looks, so you want to make sure they are always at their best. Discover the true potential of your brows with this full-service beauty box. The box set features a 4-month supply of the Grande Brow formula that works to permanently grow and thicken your natural brows over a period of 6 to 8 weeks. It also includes a long-lasting brow filler and a pair of ultra-accurate tweezers to help you perfect and maintain your brows. Check video description to get more details. Number 4, Gorgeous Cosmetics Complexion Perfection Pack. Polish and perfect your complexion with this set from Gorgeous Cosmetics. The 3-piece kit includes a lightweight primer, liquid foundation, and pressed setting powder. All 3 of these included products work together to leave your skin with a flawless, airbrushed finish that looks completely natural. The primer nourishes your skin to keep it soft and hydrated through all-day wear. The foundation offers a layer of seamless coverage that effectively conceals imperfections and leaves you with a subtle glow. Finish off your look with a layer of setting powder, which leaves your skin instantly oil-free and velvety soft. Check video description to get more details. Number 5, Grande Cosmetics Luscious Lashes and Lips Gift Set. Perfect your lashes and your lips with this innovative luxury gift set from Grande Cosmetics. The set includes a 3-month supply of Grande Lash MD, a clear gloss, and a travel mirror for easy on-the-go application. Check video description box. We provide all the Amazon product links. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.